What's going on YouTube? So, um, last couple videos, was listening to them after I posted them, of course, and I found the volume was really low. So I'm trying a different way of setting up the thing. Took my cover for my phone off. Uh, Took this one off, so it slides side to side, but I don't know if the holes for the volume was blocked. But we're gonna try this out and see what happens. And again, we got two more Double Master VIP packs to open, and we're gonna roll the dice and see what happens here. And I actually got some mail, so let's open that up real quick, and then we'll get into the VIP, and then let's see what kind of things we can get to cracking open. Doc, see you in a minute. All right, so we got this open. Went the open that all up because my address and everything is on there. So this should be a lot of one-ofs for my decks. Oh wow, there's all kinds of crazy stuff. A lot of peanuts. I do like these cases though. I'm glad they ship them in that because I am able to use that for a lot of stuff. So let's So this package should be stuff for my Narset deck, which is a Saga based deck. And then I'm also rebuilding Gishath Sun's Avatar. So that's going to be a dinosaur themed deck. So that should be what this order is. So here we go. Yep, dinosaur, Sun's Avatar. It's all the dinosaur stuff. Enchantment, dinosaur, Sakama, nice. Fall of the Thran. I am a degenerate, so you play this first, and then you also say maintaining priority. You Teferi's Protection. So Teferi's Protection goes off first, so all of your stuff disappears. And then Fall of the Thran is the only thing that's going to be on your board after Teferi's Protection resolves. So then you destroy all of your opponent's lands and you keep all of yours. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those because I'm a degenerate. Balin. There was a lot of things that I bought, and I was just like, well, I'm probably not going to use everything, but I figured a lot of this stuff I can get into other decks and stuff like that. So even if it doesn't, it's fine. Dinosaur. I like the Godzilla dinosaur ones that are for the deck. Dinosaur. Yeah, I had Gishath built at one time, and that was when it was only the Ixalan set. There's only like 1 or 2 sets that you could deal that had dinosaurs, so pretty much I'm getting everything back that I had before, plus I bought all the new stuff. Plus a lot of older stuff that I was like, oh shit, it's a dinosaur. This has been eroded. It says beast, but it's actually been eroded to say beast dinosaur. So yeah, that seems pretty cool. Galta, dinosaur. That I thought was pretty cool when I seen the art of it. that's cool. Dinosaur. Yep, all kinds of good stuff. Tolly, because I needed more. Because I got one in my white-red deck. More Sagas. Ferocidon. That's kind of funny. Anytime anyone plays a card, take a damage. So that's that set. Let's open up the next one. Yeah, these cases I try to keep as good as possible. I don't even know where you go to buy them. Maybe if anyone knows where I can buy them, but I mean, every time I do a purchase from Card Kingdom, they all come with these, and I like them so much. I know. Of course, it is Saturday today. I just got home, so I'm just kind of like really just, that's broken. I'm just going through all this kind of real quick, like, because I'm going over to a game store and to play some games with friends today. So, yeah, I'll probably be bringing this and my Narcy deck with me. It still needs to be going through and built and all that stuff, but yeah, now that I got the majority of the stuff that I wanted, now I can actually build the deck. I just gotta go through everything and like really decide what I want. This is just more or less that I was on Card Kingdom and I was just going through and going, okay, let's look for all dinosaurs. And basically the same thing for Sagas. I could not believe how much money I spent when I was like, let's get all dinosaurs, let's get all Sagas. And then of course anything that came in full art or alternate art, I was like, yep, we're buying that. As you see with all this. Oh, we're finally, oh, nope, more dinosaurs. Sagas. And then last smaller pack. What's this? Oh, it's like a sticker. CardKingdom.com sticker. Okay. Get out of there. There you go. So we got the vaults, another dinosaur, dinosaur, saga. Again, another just old school dinosaur. I thought it was kind of cool when I was seeing these. I was like, oh my god, I didn't know that set had this. Yeah, and this too. Like, it's considered a beast dinosaur. I'm like, wow. Saurus. Yeah, this one, the Shivan Raptor. Like, what? And then fairy token that they sent you. So, oh my god. This is I'm not going to use all these in the deck, but this is crazy. So, this stack, right, is Sagas. This stack is dinosaurs. Look, that's crazy. I mean, I'm not going to use all these dinosaurs in the deck, but I'm like, hey, I guess they're there. So, now before I get going to go play cards, let's open up a pack and see what we get. So, got a 6-sided die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just go with that. Roll the dice, see what we get. Got a 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the pack we're going to open. This one we're going to leave till next week. And that's going to be the last one of the box of 4 that I had. So let's get this open real quick. If the video feels rushed, sorry. I just got to get over there to the store and hang out with friends because I only have 1 day a week to play games. So there's the pack. Let's hope for the best. Expect the worst. Mirror and a worm. A lifelink worm, so that's good. Now I just need the death touch. Ooze and a wolf. So here we go. Battle Shaman. The Strix. Common. Straighten of Arms. The Vandal. Urza's Power Plant. Bone Picker. Death Hood Cobra. Sickle Slice. Artifact Equipment. The Puzzle Kant Artifact. Alright, we got uncommons now. We got Artifact Creature. Hidden Stockpile. Common. Sphinx of the Guild Pact. Dismantle. Seraph Sphinx. Golem Artisan. Yavimaya Embrace. Enchant creature. You control enchanted creature. Enchanted creature gets +2/+2 and has trample. For 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mana. No, I'm good. Alright, here's our rares. So, Phyrexian Metamorph Foil. Hannah Ship's Navigator. 1 white and blue. Return target artifact or enchantment card from your graveyard to your hand. Oh, my buddy was talking about this today. Alright. Here's the full art. Exploration Foil. I mean, that's probably not expensive, but I can use it. It'll go into a deck. And then, yo, Jace, the Mind Sculptor. Foil. Hell yeah. I think the price of that went down, but we'll find out. And then we got all the lands. And our foil lands are a mountain and a swamp. Nothing in the uncommons and commons really spoke out to me. But we're going to find what these 4 cards, our 4 rares are. And I will be back and let you guys know. Again, $150 pack. Let's see if we can get it. It might be really close, but I don't know. I'll come back to you and let you know. Alright guys, so I'm back here. Yeah, the Metamorph has a $12 card. Not too bad. Hannah's Ship Navigator, it's only $1.31. That I'll probably just bring over to my buddy today and be like, oh hey, you were talking about this? Hey, do you want a foil? here's a foil. Exploration Borderless, though, $35. Pretty good. And then that was actually the most expensive card out of the four. And then the Jace, the Mind Sculptor Borderless, $30. Yeah. Yeah. $78 worth of value. Well, try again next week. See you guys later.